Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can customize clock settings in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to the home page of our phone and click on clock icon. And by default, alarm will be set. So, first one is alarm. Here you can set alarm. I have set alarm for wake up at the morning 6:10 a.m. Other alarms are also available. You can customize here. If you click over it and you can change the timing and change days here and rename it and whatever maybe. And then second one is world clock. Here you can see world clock. And third one is timer. It will be very useful when you set a timer and that timer will be acting. And for example, if you would like to set 30 minutes time for particular sports event, then you can just set 30 minutes and 30 minutes will be just going on and it will be in the reverse order, it will be decreasing. See it, I will check it. 30 minutes. So here click on minutes and I click on 30. So 30 minutes has been now set. And here if you want to set seconds also, you can do it. 30 minutes and 12 seconds means you can do it. Also you can use hour. Suppose if you set to 1 hour 30 minutes and 12 seconds, yes, you can do it. This whole 1 hour 30 minutes 12 seconds will now be active and it will be countdown from the from 1 second to, and it will be decreasing in the down order. See here, yes, it's go 12 11 and so on, 6 5 and timer is running. So in this timing, if particular sports or particular event occurs, just you can set the timer and when it finishes, this round will be finished and you can notify the event manager or event participants or wherever you want. Okay, very useful feature. And also you can add label here. Just click it and you can set a timer label for what. You can just name it and you can easily remember it for what purpose you set this timer. For example, if you would like to set a cricket playing for this time, within this time only, then you can set cricket. You can just write here cricket and click save. So after finish of this timing, you can just alert players that time is over. Wow, what a useful function. And if you want to delete it really, and click this delete button and it will be reset, and you can set another timer. When you switch to another one, then you can just delete it and you can use another one. And next one is stopwatch. Suppose if you want to measure the timing for particular operation, then you can do it. For example, if you run an experiment and you can just note how much time it takes. For that, just start your experiment and start timer. Yes. Or if somebody is running race, just you can on the timer and how it goes. So 12 seconds, 30 seconds, and it's going on. So in this way, you can set a stopwatch also. I stop it now. Yes. 20 seconds occurs. 20 seconds finished. Within 20 seconds, this has happened. In this way, you can measure the experiment, practical experiment, and whatever maybe. So in this way, you can set, you can customize clock in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. What a wonderful feature. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.